Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and today I want to talk about an emerging trend in the plant-based world of food, which is vegan fish or plant-based fish. We have followed the growth of plant-based meat with Beyond Burger, Impossible Meat as pioneers, I guess, and now it's gone into fish. It's gone into fish finally. Because as a vegan or vegetarian, for me, for example, and I've spoken with other people that had the same exact sentiment, giving up meat, it was easy. Giving up sushi was close to impossible. Very difficult, and this is this is a reason why many people, for example, have become pescatarian, because at least they could have fish. Well, now we can have fish alternatives as well, which sound awesome to me. And I want to show you a few examples of a few startups that are creating around that. So first of all is BlueNalu, which is a company that produces food from fish cells, and they are pioneering something they call cellular aquaculture. And then we have, for example, company like Good Catch. They are making plant-based tuna and plant-based other products that I'm going to show you. These are mainly products for the supermarkets, or ready for the supermarket. This, I think, is their frozen section, and they talk about the ingredients that they use, legumes and algae. And then there is another company that makes actual sushi, or fish-looking ingredients for sushi. And these are actually tomatoes. These are made from tomato and from eggplant. And what I like about these products is that the actual, it looks and tastes much as fish for sushi, but the actual product, the actual nature-made product is still there, still visible. The tomato and the eggplant haven't been processed in 1,000 ways before becoming the actual product itself. And this is awesome, because sushi, for me, and I've spoken to many vegan and vegetarians, it's the same thing. Sushi is one of those things that you really end up craving a lot. And so I love this product. And then the last company that I wanted to show you is Sophies Kitchen. They are making gourmet plant-based seafood. So they have a bunch of products. I think these are frozen, probably, or anyway, cooked, in a way, cooked product. And they also have these plant-based salmon and tuna. And so they also give an option for something like smoked tuna, which is not processed very much. You can very well see the fish. That's it, guys. I really wanted to show you that there are these companies working on plant-based fish alternatives. So if you are a food designer, you can think of products that use fish, plant-based fish alternatives. If you have a food service, you can think of incorporating their products into your menu, etc. The possibilities are infinite. Let me know what you think about plant-based fish and meat alternatives. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and happy food design.